Hey YouTube, it's me Nikki, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do a look using the Divine palette from Bad Habit. I am going to a Smashing Pumpkins concert here in 3 days and I kind of wanted to brainstorm a look and this is it guys. This is going to be the look and I freaking love it. So let me share with you guys what the palette looks like. There's a good variety of colors. There's a really pretty duochrome in here. And yeah, I think without further ado, we should go ahead and just get started. So I went ahead and applied a piece of tape right next to my eye just to keep the wing and everything all nice and tight. Now anytime you do this, please take the piece of tape, apply it to the back of your hand twice. That basically picks up some of the oil that's on your skin, so that way whenever I go to peel this off, it's not going to tug at my skin whatsoever, which is awesome. Very delicate area, guys. Now I did go ahead and apply the Tarte Shape Tape, and this is in light medium right below my brows, and I brought it down so that way it's on my eyelid, and I'm just going to use this as a primer today. So I'm going to go ahead and hop in with an eyeshadow here from NARS. This is the cream eyeshadow in Zardoz, and I'm just going to take a little bit of this. It's a black shadow. You can use a black eyeliner, any type of black base that you have handy, and I'm going to leave a lot of the concentration here on my lid, but with what's left over on my brush, I'm going to bring it up into the crease just a little bit here, and then I'm going to be doing some blending. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of turn the brush on its side and blend a little bit here. So next I'm going to hop into the Divine palette, and I love this palette. I really wanted to wear some eyeshadow from this palette for the Smashing Pumpkins concert, so this is what I came up with. I've already got my combat boots out. Girls, I have some knee-high boots that are just gorgeous, and I have some flannels, some ripped jeans, like I'm going full out 90s. The shade that I'm going to use is called Blasphemy, right here. Now I'm not using a lot of this. I'm just going to take a very, very small amount. So I'm applying it on that top edge of the black that we applied in the crease. I really want to have a nice smooth transition from red to a nude color. So next I'm going to hop in with this red shade right here. It's called Hestia, and with this I'm going to apply it right into the crease and a little bit on the eyelid, not a whole lot, but just for a little bit of continuity I'm going to apply it downwards just a pinch. And then I'm going to bring that color upwards and outwards. I'm just going to apply a little bit more here. Alright, so I'm going to hop in with this purplish shade right here. I'm going to go ahead and apply this right on the crease, and this is going to blend into that red. Going to give it a little bit more of like a berry look, which looks really, really pretty against that black gold. And I am just going to blend upwards and outwards, just like I did with that red shade. I'm going to hop in to this shade right here. It's called Soul. And with this, I'll be using it with a damp brush. So I'm going to take the MAC Fix Plus, and I'm going to apply this all over my entire lid. I am going to kind of bring it up in a cut all around my eyelid. I am going to start at the very inner part of my eye, and this is so pretty, guys. It reminds me of one of the Stila Magnificent Metals that I have. I believe it's called Black Gold, and I am going to apply this all over the entire eyelid, all the way down to my lashes. Now I am going to bring it slightly above my crease just because I have hooded eyes and my eyes are incredibly deep set. So I want this to kind of stand out. So I'm going to just kind of build that up here. I'm going to go ahead and do my upper liner off camera just because I have to get really close to my mirror. But I'm taking that same cream eyeshadow that I used earlier from NARS. This is Zardoz again, and it's just a black cream eyeshadow, which works really well as an eyeliner. So I've got an angled brush. I have it loaded with some product. I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll be right back. So I'm going to go ahead and take my contour palette from BareMinerals. This is the Barepro Tan to Dark. I'm taking the very lightest shade in here, and that is what I'm going to use right below my brow bone. So taking that color, I'm going to go ahead and pat it right below my brows, and I'm bringing it right next to that pink. And then of course I am going to do just a little bit of blending, not a whole lot, but just to kind of soften those two shades where they meet. So next I'm going to take a Stila Smudge Stick waterproof eyeliner. This is in Deep Fuchsia, and this color is definitely original. I freaking love it, and I'm going to use it on my waterline as well as right below my lower lash line. So I'm going to start with the lower lash line first and just kind of apply this right below the lashes. I'm going to be smudging it out as well. And this stuff barely moves, so as soon as you put it on, you gotta get to work. Alright, so I'm gonna hop right back into the palette. I'm grabbing Hestia again, and I am going to pat this on right where I have that liner. And I'm going to be smudging and blending a little bit here to kind of soften everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that same Stila liner, and this is gonna go on my waterline. I'm hopping right back into this palette yet again, and I'm going to grab Soul again. I'm going to go ahead and spritz a very, very tiny brush here with that MAC Fix Plus, and I'm going to go back in and grab Soul yet again. Now this time I am going to apply it on the inner corner of my eye, and I'm dragging just a little bit right below the beginning part of my lower lashes. So then I'm going to go ahead and connect my upper lashes to my lower lashes by taking just a black liner. This one is from Urban Decay. It is the 24/7 Velvet Glide On Eye Pencil in Black Velvet. And I'm literally just patting the edge here with this, and then I'm going to be smudging it. Awesome. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my mascara, my highlight, blush, all that fun stuff, and lipstick off camera, and then I'll be right back. So it took me like 20 minutes to decide on a lipstick. This is like embarrassing. I had so many dark reds, and I ended up choosing this one. This is from Colourpop, and it is their Ultra Matte Lip, and it's in Saturday. And I'm going to go ahead and swatch this for you guys. It looks really like fuchsia berry-ish, but this thing packs a freaking punch, and it matched the eyeshadow. So I was like, okay, it matches the eyeshadow. Like, I thought about applying a lip gloss on top, but I just, you know what? Let's just leave it, because if I keep adding more things, I know I'm probably gonna fuck this up, and I don't want to do that. So we're just gonna let it be the way it is. I like it. It's cool. This is probably what I'm going to wear to the concert. I've been trying to come up with like an outfit and a makeup look so I know what to take with me to Kansas City whenever I travel, and I really like this. So please let me know what you guys think. I feel like it's grungy. I love it. I have a flannel shirt on that matches the eyeshadow and lipstick. I know, I'm that girl. I don't know, I'm weird. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I was gonna do a look inspired by how I wore makeup in high school, but it turned out to be exactly how I wore makeup in high school instead of being inspired by. It's full on, this is what you get. My hair was this color, granted this is a wig. Yeah, I wore flannels. I always made my eyeshadow and my lipstick match whatever it was that I was wearing. So this is totally high school Nikki. But yeah, so if you guys want to see more videos on this palette, if you guys want a review, let me know, hit me up, leave a comment down below. I like it so far, but I haven't used every single shade yet. Give me a like, a thumbs up, subscribe. Hey, it totally helps me out. Leave a comment down below, and then, yeah, I'll play around with this and see what else I can do with it. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys have a great day, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.